The new Gucci concealer just arrived, and I got 3 of them. I was not sure what shade I should get, so I got 3, and this one is 23W. I think this is the darkest one, and it's kind of light. Okay, and then this one is 14N. So the reason why I got W is because it said it had a golden undertone. So this is 14N. Oh my god, that is... Okay, let's see. And this one is 17W. Okay, so here they are. So 23, this one is warm, 23W, and this one is neutral. Let me see. Okay, I like that this one has, it does have that yellow undertone. $23W. Then this is 14N. 23W is the closest for me. So I'm going to put this on. So it's this one. I'm going to try on 23W. It does have a yellow undertone or a golden undertone. It may be the shade, but it's not covering. Can you see? So that's how that turned out. It's like, this is not covering at all. And I did put a generous amount. That is like a lot. I don't like how it's not, the formula is not ideal. The House Labs, much better than this already. Nothing came over here, and I still I should have some here because I've been dabbing it here, and there should be some. This is horrible. And I went in light before, and it was not covering, so I had to go and put a lot in so that I can cover, and it's still like, oh my god, this is so bad. I do not recommend this concealer. This just looks like a cheap drugstore concealer. This looks like one of those Fit Me drugstore concealers where you hardly get any coverage. Now, it's not just that it doesn't have any coverage, but it's like it separates already. With that amount that I put on, it should look at its best. And Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Concealer, it's light. It's light to medium, and it looks much better than this. This is moisturizing, but the shade is not, I don't think the shade is way too light for me, so that's why it's not covering anything. I think that I'm going to set it now with the Givenchy. This is number 2, Satin Black. And this is one of the best setting powders for me. So it should. Oh my God, look at that. What the hell? Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin doesn't do that. The recent Lady Gaga doesn't do that. This looks horrible. Right here, like, are you kidding me? And this is an expensive concealer. Like, I still see the dark right here. Now, this doesn't work for me, but it may work for you. So my review is only for me on my skin and my preferences and what I'm expecting from a high-end concealer. And this powder is the best powder. Like, that is what I pull out when I want something that for it to look good. Oh my God. Horrible. I'm taking this off and putting something else on. Okay, back with the new Huda, back with the new Haus Labs Lady Gaga, and this is in the shade 10 Golden Light, and this is a good concealer. You know what? I don't even have any lotion on my eyes, and for the Gucci concealer, I did put some on. And this is clean. So this concealer is so much better, more smoother, like it blends nicely. I'm going to let my lotion dry, and then I'll put concealer in there. I'm going to go in with the same, the MAC pen in the shade NC30. Yeah, NC30. That's what that looks like. It's a little light on me. Quite a bit light, I think. But I'm just gonna finish up this. And what I did, and it's so smoothing. Like, oh my God, it is. Oh my God, I can't believe that concealer. I'm shocked. Gucci, what you doing? So This foundation, although it is light for me, it covers. I'm so impressed. So I am kind of in a hurry. I'm heading out. But that concealer showed up, so I'm like, okay, I'll do that. Yesterday, my previous video with the MAC pen, I wore that for the whole day. I was out. I wore that until like 10 at night. So I put it on like at 10 in the morning, and it wore beautiful. Oh shoot, okay. Oh, it doesn't matter. I already know that this concealer is good. Okay, the MAC pen foundation is on. Now I'm gonna go in with more of this. I am really enjoying this concealer. I knew that I had to try this Lady Gaga concealer because I love her foundation. Although I've had a hard time with finding a shade for me, I still love it. Like, I make it work, but it feels such a good formula. I'm gonna do my hair now actually because I am in a hurry. And I'm gonna use Bubble and Bumble heat protectant because this stuff is like really good. This is the only product that I felt that is actually heat protectant. That it actually protects your hair.